Hello, this is my new purchase. It's a 1965 Dodge Dart 170. It's got a 225 cubic inch slant 6. Picked it up for $2,500. And this is just kind of a walkthrough of what you can get for that price. And hopefully I'll post some later videos of my attempts to fix it up a little bit. I'll start with the interior. Came with this wonderful leopard print seat cover. If you pull up the seat cover, you notice that the front seats are pretty well torn up. That'll be fun to fix, I'm sure. But in general, when the condition is livable. The headliner has seen better days. It's a little saggy, a little torn up. That'll have to go, I'm sure. Inside, the speedometer doesn't work, the odometer doesn't work. The fuel gauge works about half the time. The temperature gauge has been bypassed by the previous owner. The bottom one works. And weirdly enough, the only gauge that works properly is the alternator gauge. We have an original AM radio, which I'm told is broken. However, we have an aftermarket radio as well. An aftermarket sound system installed in the back. Sounds alright. Still kind of hard to hear over the road noise sometimes. All four doors open and close technically. It's interesting, there are two ashtrays in the back. That's pretty much it for the interior. The exterior looks alright from far away. The previous owners repainted it red. It was originally white. And it's decently shiny until you get up close. There's, scratches and bumps and dings and rust spots behind the back wheels is pretty common with these cars. However, most of the chrome is still here. The taillights, I love the taillights on this year of the car. It looks very 60s. Come around the side. Now let's take a look underneath the hood. It originally came with a 225 slant 6. This is not the original motor, but they replaced it with a 225 slant 6. Pissy Chrissy is what they've been calling the car. I think I'll end up keeping that name. Mechanically, it's pretty strong. It starts right up. It drives. It hasn't had any major mechanical issues since I've had it for the past few days now. I don't believe this dipstick is original. I tried to, measure the oil level, and I pulled the whole dipstick assembly out of the engine block, so maybe I'll take a look at that. One thing that's interesting on this car, and I wasn't expecting this on a 65, but it has a windshield washer fluid reservoir. And if you look in these little triangles here, there is a little windshield washer sprayer. I haven't tried it out. When you pull the pump on, you can hear the pump working, but it's bone dry in there. Lots of pine needles and crap, so eventually I'll look into that and hopefully it works. Just leaks a little bit of oil, but in general it's almost in daily driver condition. I'll post some videos in the future, I'm sure, of my attempts to get some value out of this car, and hopefully they're fun to watch.